So in this lecture, we are going to be looking at how to find keywords by what people are using online to describe your products and services. Now, that can be done in a few ways, but I'm just going to show you two quick ways here to find out what we mentioned in terms of brainstorming keywords internally and externally, and this is the external part. So very quickly, what you can do is just go to Google, as we are here. Again, let's use the Sony example. So just type in Sony, and then as you can see here, we've got what we call Google autocomplete or auto suggest. You just type in Sony and then it is suggesting you what other people or what users and searchers are typing in. So here are product names by the product code, and you've got Xperia. So just press enter. We've got Sony. You go in there, just block the locations. Again, this is the full web page rather than just a search bar. So as you can see here, again, there's more suggestions from Google, as like PlayStation, Sony PS5, Sony TV, Sony Entertainment. So these are things that people are actually entering into search engines and naming or calling your products, so searching by these names, okay, for Sony. And there's another way what you can do, which I like to do, to find little nuggets or what people are saying and naming your products, or discussing what your products are about, is forums. And one of those is Reddit. So just Google Reddit. It calls itself as the front page of the internet. So let's just go into Reddit. Now let's just go into the search bar and search. Well, we'll move away from Sony. What's happening? There we go. Let's look at coffee machines. So as you can see, there's loads of discussions about coffee machines on Reddit. Let's just look for here. Okay, so here's one. Let's say, for example, you're selling coffee machines or filters, and this one is, what setting do I grind my beans with a Vietnamese filter? So grind is something that seems to be related to coffee making. We've got a Vietnamese filter. Again, you can see here, drop coffee machine making diluted coffee. So again, diluted coffee seems to be something. If you're selling coffee machines or in the world of coffee, here again, we've got looks like a product name. Again, we've got product names here: Nespresso versus Ninja Hot and Cold Brew. Just scroll down, see what we find. Anything interesting? Again, we see this word grinder coming up. So let's look at this make Breville, and we can see that the word infuser has been used by the user. Maybe that is definitely related to that coffee machine. This is interesting. We've got automatic versus semi-automatic versus manual, decoding the three primary types of coffee machines. So here it looks like definitely automatic, semi-automatic, and manual are keywords that users or owners and enthusiasts of coffee machines are using as keywords when talking about coffee machines. So there you can see, guys, there's two very quick ways to find out what people are typing in or searching and naming products online. One, Google's autocomplete or auto-suggest, and online forums like Reddit, and there are other forums as well, especially question and answer websites like Quora, that you can use to uncover keywords. Okay guys, in the next section we are going to be talking about keyword tools, which is obviously the best way and the mother of all ways to me to finding keywords and doing keyword research. As I always say, guys, keep on watching. There's a lot to learn.